Hello everyone, we are on step 92 of loading CSS colors by building a set of colored markers on freeCodeCamp.org. The shadows for your green and blue markers will have the same position, blue and spread. The only difference will be the colors. In the green and blue CSS rules, update the values for the box shadow property, so offset x is 0, offset y is 0, blue radius is 20 pixels, and spread radius is 0. Leave the colors as green and blue for now. So we need to update this one to 20 pixels and we'll put 0. And we have 2 zeros. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.